Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox where you already signed in. This avoids permission delays. Once on the site or app, navigate directly to settings from the profile or gear icon so you land on account options quickly. Make sure you know the exact language name or script to avoid confusion. Spanish differs from Latin American Spanish, for example. This first action places you in the right panel to change language preferences and prepares you for the next steps without extra detours. You now change the language inside settings, find the language field under Account Info or App Settings and open the drop-down. Once you click your target language, confirm why. Roblox uses this to localize menus, chat hints, and developer captions. After selection, hit Save or Apply. This writes the preference to your account or device. Then restart the app or refresh the browser so the new locale loads fully, and verify that interface text and game prompts reflect the chosen language. You finish by ensuring individual games also use the language. Many titles require in-game language toggles or developer-provided translations. If the interface did not change, clear cache or reinstall the app and then log out and back in. This forces fresh assets to download. Make sure device language settings do not override Roblox and check permissions for region services. If problems continue, consult Roblox status or community reports. This reveals outages or known bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.